everybody, welcome back to Daytime Live. Now there's a video circulating on social media, right? It shows Grammy-nominated singer Mario being inappropriately touched by a married female, I don't know how they know she's married, a married female fan during a concert.
Now, the clip has stirred massive discussion online, with many pointing out the selective outrage that would likely follow up if the same thing had happened in reverse. Now, today we have dancehall star Razor B, who joins us to weigh in and bring the conversation into a local context. But first, let's take a quick look at the clip.
All right, my girl said, me not see nothing.
So that was the clip. And as a true Jamaican woman here, I know, me not see nothing. Me not see it.
Sure again.
So he was performing, standing on stage, at the edge of the stage, and the fan reached up and grabbed his...
He was performing on stage.
He was performing.
He said he was standing on stage.
Clock that. And the fan said, touched his private area.
Welcome to Daytime Live.
Thank you. Thank you.
What did you say when you walk out there? But you know, like...
No, I mean, I said, even whenever I'm on the show, I try to do my best to come out much cleaner than you, because I know you always, you know what I mean?
but you saw this clip. Let's put it into a local context. When Jamaican male performers or male artists are on stage, is it deemed okay for female fans to operate like that, grope, touch inappropriately?
Well, I wouldn't say it's appropriate, you know, but you know what I mean, our culture, it happens to the best of us, to be quite honest with you, you know what I mean? Like, so it happens all the time, and for we as the dancehall scene, for dancehall fraternity type of music, you know what I mean? Like you've seen it many times, you know, we love it. So we pretty much push ourselves into it, which is wrong. It's not right. I'm not saying, you know, because if it was reversed,
right. So I was going to make a distinction. We're talking about male Jamaican artists.
Yeah.
Right. And if the flip side was a female.
The flip side, well, you know, I mean, a problem that.
But then,
and I don't think either way it's not right. It's just in the mood and the energy and the vibration. Like nobody is allowed should be allowed to touch the artist while they're performing. But when they think about the dancehall space, you know what I mean, and the viral and all Instagram and all TikTok and everything is...
But you know why that can confuse we though?
Yeah.
And not to single anybody out, but we've seen like a Dexter Daps, how he performs, and maybe like a 450.
Yeah.
Very immersive. He's in the crowd and everything. Sometimes bringing some of those female fans on stage. We get very touchy-feely because it's a part of the performance. Is it then that we're to assume that that is maybe not a part of the deal? Sean, them people that go out and trace songs and take off their shirt and push out so we can touch them.
Janet Jackson and Beyonce call people on stage and tie them up.
But
they're not really touching it. But groping is a little bit different, like I said. You know,
right.
Where now you're in a person's private space, and you know what I mean, whether an individual married or not, then you're not supposed to touch anyone, because if Spice up on stage and somebody grab her like that or any other
trouble.
A problem. Problem. Yeah.
That is instantly.
Yeah.
But
probably get them
it's just what would happen in the aftermath, where it would be the female on stage, female artists on stage, and it would just become a whole bigger issue about how men treat women. Versus if it was a male artist, if it wasn't something that was taken up online and become a discussion issue, it probably would have just passed by and to be like, woman supposed to.
But are you really offended though? Would you really be offended if someone were to grope you? Because, you know, in Jamaican context, again, there are certain things where if it happens to a man, man, tough out that.
Man a man, still me understand man a man, but when you have a significant other and, you know what I mean, it's wrong, you know? Like, especially if you're married. Or you have someone else in it, you know?
Yeah, and it's man-a-man thing. It's not a...
It's not a man-a-man thing. It's just you're performing, you're entertaining your fans, they entertain them. You know?
It's respect.
And it's respect.
Respect. Boundaries.
There's a boundaries, you know what I mean? And certain things that cross. It happened, like I said, it even happened to me. It happened here, it happened overseas.
We'll actually show the video and this time it has some audio.
It has, okay.
To get a bit of context.
More context?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So he
whatever. Yeah.
He kind of reprimanded her for doing that.
Yeah, quick and fast and just move. So I like how he handled it in terms of, not making a big deal out of
continuing with the performance.
Right. At the same time. But boundaries and this male-female differentiation and what do you call it? The two ways that you approach the same issue. The double standard. That's it. The double standard of male performers and female performers and what should happen. I know you have to take off shirt and all them. Him, Razor just want to feel like a sweat. All of a sudden, him take off the whole of
shirt off and jump in a crowd and something.
Yeah, so him not mind.
Because I'm an entertainer, I like to entertain, right?
Right.
But when somebody's going to touch you in a private area, then that's crossing the line. I mean, like touching the chest or the arms or whatever, the legs or whatever.
When my hand reach, like me couldn't, sorry.
No, listen.
Don't listen to me. But I try to reach further, but it stopped.
I think it should just be respected.
It should be respected. I don't know, say she married, like, imagine her husband say that. But what kind of problem she have at home?
Well, that's between
like it's a domino effect.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It creates a domino effect.
Right.
You know what I mean? So I would just encourage the females. I mean, when you see artists performing, just don't do that.
In a situation like that, is it harassment? Sexual harassment per se?
It is.
It is.
It is.
Yeah, definitely.
That's literally something that you can be prosecuted.
Just imagine you're on
for.
stage doing a host and somebody, reach and grab you inappropriately. Like,
Remember in the workplace, if you do that, HR,
you're getting in trouble.
HR.
But I just know, Razor, if you're going to make a report, say the person touch you, your brethren them.
They're going to laugh at
you.
Yeah.
And
that not got man.
Especially the Jamaicans.
Yeah. Not in Jamaican space.
Jamaican space.
The Jamaican space, the aggression and the mood and the energy that you're flowing with and going with, it just flows. It flows and just like, right,
If a dancehall though, because in dancehall music, the men like to boast about their
prowess.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Yeah.
So when you tell me say 5, 10, 15, 20 and such.
Yeah. 25, 30.
25, 30.
35,
all
40.
night long.
Yeah.
Gilala.
Yeah.
Jacama.
Yeah.
Don't have me not trouble you. Me just say Stula.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All these things.
Yeah,
Broke back.
yeah.
You know what I mean? When you got through all of that, 9, 10, 11, 12 length and all these things, when you come on stage and you Dufton, what do you fix your face?
No, I'm just amazed at.
Yeah, so when you come on stage, you've already painted this image in my head, and
that's inviting.
That is inviting, and you're boasting about these things that you can do, and here you are thrusting probably on stage or whining in a particular kind of way that's suggestive.
But women do the same thing.
That's true.
They also boast about their prowess. You understand what I'm saying? They I leave it alone because it's how you can say it. The instant I say HR.
HR?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
All right. Remember I said a video like that with Dexter? You know what I mean? With the same grouping situation. But it never go so viral. Like Mario video.
Right.
You know what I mean? Because it was fine. It was okay. You know what I mean?
Because
of culture, we are saying, I mean, man, you know what I mean?
Man,
Dexter.
it's not just he's male, he's Dexter Daps, he's the type of songs that he
sings, exactly.
It's welcoming.
It's kind of like you're inviting that kind of.
So that's what I'm saying. Maybe different folks, different stroke, different culture, And
Come me with a group killer. Me wouldn't killer. No, man.
We are do.
Bang!
Yo, but you have to move your hand.
Bang! I think somebody tried to tell you once we kill on stage. But here's the thing about it.
Yeah.
When a male artist is groped, it is him inviting.
But when
He's inviting that type of behavior.
No, sir.
But the female no, I'm talking about perception.
Okay.
But if a female artist is anyway touched, it's assaulted, and men should be able to
control themselves.
Control and understand that she's just singing and performing. So it's
like
we at fault.
Understand that we at fault.
Yeah,
What do you think? Like,
No, Well, I mean, if you go for the goose, you have to go for the gander. It should be. It should be equal. If it's sexual harassment on your side, it is on mine. And you know, sexual harassment is such a touchy topic in itself because people will say, and please don't bash me for this, maybe if me did like the guy, I wouldn't consider it harassment.
I think that's a whole topic that we should address because sexual harassment, oftentimes it is about the guy who you like or the girl who you like is flirting.
Yeah, but as long as we don't like
don't
him.
like it, this is sexual harassment.
So it's
HR.
Fine line.
HR.
Fine line.
Fine line.
HR.
HR, for real.
But the moral of the story is stop, grab people.
Yeah, the moral
no
of the story,
touching.
no.
But quickly, what's going on with you? 30 seconds, quick.
Oh, you know what? I'm actually out for you. I'm leaving for Europe tomorrow, and I'm going to Berlin.
You're not reach yet, you know, so the accent.
Listen, because I grew up in Canada. Pressure me all the time. It's 6 more time, you know.
You know, absolutely. You know, I'm going back to Berlin.
I'm going to Europe, and I'll be there for 2 weeks, and I'm excited about it. You know, Belgium, Berlin, and France. So, you know, and then I'll be back helping out with what happened with exactly.
Yeah. Anything on the other skill set, the chef inside?
Still a cook. You love your belly, man?
No,
every time before they want food. Every time
where can we find you on social media?
You know,
Where can we quickly on social media? Where
at
can
the
I
real
find
Razor
you?
B on Instagram, at the real_Razor B on TikTok. It's all love, you know, and just want to let the people know this help who you can help while we're helping. You know, what I mean, let's not turn our back on our people. One Jamaica.
Yeah, one.
Okay, I want to do that.
I know where safe, me. Before you fly out, me.
Some
some dressing tips. No.
What are you talking about?
Big up yourself, Razor B. Guys,
Coordinated.
more daytime live right after this break. So forward.